Hi guys, today I will be talking about how to cancel Amazon Prime subscription. Canceling a subscription on Amazon Prime Video is really simple, but make sure you have your Amazon account, because without using that, we can't cancel a subscription. So the first thing I will do is, in the Google search bar, I will search for Amazon Prime Video. On the second number, you will see the official website of Amazon Video. Click on it and sign in your account, which you are using. As you can see, I moved to that page where I can use Amazon Prime Video for watching movies. Maybe it will ask to sign in Amazon Prime, but my account was already signed in, so that's why it did not ask. Now time to remove the subscription. If you take a look on the right top, you will see your profile. Click on it, and here you can see different options like Manage Profile, Help, Watch Anywhere, plus Account and Setting. Click on the Account and Setting. Once you will click on it, you will see multiple things on the top. Your account plus subscription. In the account section, you can manage your membership, payment method, like we want to cancel the subscription. So that's why I need to click on this option, Manage Account, once I will click on it. As I said, for canceling the subscription, make sure you have your Amazon.in account. If you have Amazon, enter email address or phone number and hit Continue after it, you will be redirected to the page where you can cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription with the help of this Amazon website. Cancel it from here. That's it.